All right, so a little progress. We got the motor up on the hoist. The gentlemen's are these guys are like doctors at what they do. I'll tell you that right now. As far as like shade tree doctors, but we're getting ready to stab that sucker in there. We got new motor mounts. Look how beauty. That's a beauty, isn't it? You see how good looking that is? Just like me. Fucking hot. I'm telling you right now. Patrick's out here.
You know, you got he's copying me with the YouTube channel.
I don't know what this guy's saying. I was born before this guy. Matter of fact, I'm his dad. How could I copy this guy?
Do you have any grease?
Hold on a second.
He's filming right now. You gotta.
All right, so we stabbed the motor in. We got the tranny in, motor mounted to the tranny. We new clutch in there. We got a new water pump. We got, I mean, it's coming together, fellas. Let me give you guys a gander on it. Eric's underneath the car. Justin's up here. Eric's getting all the tying in the bottom end up there, which is I heard he's good at. And then
My bottom end.
the motor's going in good, guys. We're gonna get a couple more parts, but you guys could. This is the newest. Well, the Shitbox crew's helping me out, and I gotta do a shout out to their page. So
It's Southwest Shitbox Crew on Instagram.
all right, so we got the Southwest Shitbox crew on Instagram. They're out here helping out. They're gonna have their own merch. You could probably have a link in my page, or I might be selling their merch and making a cut out of it. But they got cool stickers. There's gonna be cool stuff, and you're gonna want to represent, guys. You know, for the Shitbox and all of us. All right, so yesterday my son and his buddies, they came over and we stabbed the engine in, and I'm gonna just show you guys what it looks like now. There's with the engine. It's not all plugged in yet, but it's in there now. Look, there's the header. We got the lot of stuff to connect still, but it's all here, and we're putting it together slowly but surely. It's gonna be a cool project. But I was just letting you guys see the end results of yesterday's. Couple hours it took us, but we did it right. We actually mistakenly left a few parts off that we had to do over again, but that happens. But it's gonna come out bitching.